If you're trying to decide between some more expensive tablets out there, I think this cheaper tablet from Samsung could be one of the more underrated options at a fraction of the cost. And here's why everyone might want to consider the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Don't forget to hit that hype button down below so more people see this video. One of the biggest reasons is gonna be the price, with a lot of tablets starting at $300 and $400 all the way up to over $1,000. You're not gonna find a better tablet that's more affordable than this one, starting at only $250. Plus, now Samsung is promising 7 years of software updates, which is not really that common in budget tablets like this. There's some flagship devices that won't even get 7 years of software updates. So even though you're paying quite a bit less, you'll still get plenty of software updates with this tablet for years to come. One nice improvement on this tablet over the previous Tab A9 Plus is it now has 6 GB of RAM instead of 4, so you can do multitasking. It also has Samsung DeX to be a little more productive as well. Nice thing is this starts with 128 GB of storage, and you can use a micro SD card up to 2 TB, which again, there's some more expensive tablets out there where you can't even use a micro SD card. This tablet is one of the few tablets out there that still have a headphone jack. You'll notice on the more expensive tablets, they got rid of those, but sometimes it's just nice to use wired headphones, and it's just nice to have one less thing to worry about charging. It's got the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, which is a nice performance boost over the previous Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Again, just better performance overall, and this one's going to be better at gaming as well. I feel like the size of this tablet is pretty nice. It's not too large, so it's easy to reach things on the screen. It just feels pretty comfortable when gaming, and again, it's just a nice bump in performance over the previous version. It's got an 11-inch display at 90 Hz refresh rate, so things are going to be a little bit smoother on social media and gaming. It also has a quad speaker setup, 2 speakers on each side, and it's got Dolby Atmos, which always makes things sound a little bit better and quite a bit louder as well. You'll definitely notice when watching movies or listening to music. The previous tablet only had 15-watt charging. Now they've upped it to 25 watts, which is not going to be the fastest out there, but still not bad considering the price. It also lasted about 6.5 hours in my battery drain test at 100% screen brightness, which is a little above average. It should have plenty of power to last a couple days with normal use, even longer once you turn the screen brightness down. They've also improved the cameras a little bit, going from only 2 megapixels on the back to now 5 megapixels, which definitely helps with video calls and just taking photos in general. So again, a small improvement, but definitely nice to have over the previous Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. It also has an IP52 dust and water resistance rating, so definitely a little bit better durability than some of the competition in this category. You've also got Gemini as the assistant, which comes in handy for things like circle to search. The software on here is going to feel very similar to most of the higher end Samsung tablets. Of course, there's probably some more reasons that I'm not thinking of, but as you can see, this tablet has quite a bit going for it, especially considering the price. Of course, some of this is going to be personal preference, but I feel like sometimes people spend a lot more money than they need to, when sometimes you just need something a little more basic, like the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. If you like tablets, phones, and other tech, I got a lot more stuff that I'm working on as usual, so you'll want to keep an eye out for those upcoming videos. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.